A new day is dawning in India, built on the bricks of boundless possibilities, connected across the farthest corners, where future-forward technologies are addressing our most critical development needs, where the power to steer our dreams lies in the palm of our very own hands. India lives in its farmlands, in the fragrance of the earth and the rippling vistas of its fields. These farmlands have steered the nation to food security. Now, technology is taking the revolution further. With nearly 60% of its workforce engaged in agriculture, India's fortunes depend on those who work the land. Now, an innovative technology solution is putting the power of agribusiness back where it belongs, in the hands of the farmer. Introducing eChaupal, the world's largest rural digital infrastructure, conceived and instituted by the Indian corporate group ITC Limited. It is driving technology into the heart of nation's farmlands, empowering small farmers by providing access to information, from best practices to market prices, products and weather updates, etc. It is modernizing traditional agriculture by increasing efficiency and speeding up the supply, demand and delivery chain. Village Nursing Kheda in central India is one of the 6,500 Chaupals or village kiosks across 40,000 villages, catering to 4 million farmers. Here, digital technology is interwoven with the ground realities of the country. When farmers like Kishore Singh walk in, they are greeted by a Sanchalak or facilitator from his own farming community, trained to operate the eChaupal system. Today, Kishore Singh has a few basic queries about the market prices of his crop, soya bean. A few clicks of the mouse and the web-enabled, computerized network provides Kishore Singh with the current prices of soya bean at which he can sell his crop. For Kishore Singh, the eChaupal eliminates several levels of middlemen and standardizes processes, allowing him to make profits that have more than doubled in under a decade. Thanks to the scientific farming techniques he has learned from eChaupal.
मेरी आय जो पहले थी वो कमी थी, eChaupal के आने से मेरी आमदनी में बढ़त हुई। हमें भाव का पता चलने के कारण हम बिचौलिए लोगों से बचे हुए रहते हैं।
But the eChaupal project is not restricted to a single kiosk. Welcome to Chaupal Sagar, an agri-mall for integrated rural services. Here, farmers select from a whole range of agri-products on display, store their produce, or lease agricultural equipment like tractors. They can avail of services like soil testing, which is conducted in state-of-the-art labs by trained technicians. Farmers can also attend farmer training programs conducted by agriculture and animal husbandry experts. The Chaupal Sagar is a one-stop shop that meets all the needs of a rural Indian community.
किसानों की जिंदगी में eChaupal के माध्यम से बहुत बड़ा बदलाव आया है, क्योंकि किसानों को मौसम संबंधी जानकारी, कृषि संबंधी जानकारी, स्वास्थ्य संबंधी जानकारी कंप्यूटर के माध्यम से किसानों को मिलती है।
12 years since the eChaupal's inception, entire agricultural communities have experienced significant economic turnarounds. A turnaround that has translated into additional benefits like women's empowerment, conservation, watershed development, supplementary education and much more. With technology evolving, the eChaupal initiative takes its next step into mobile telecommunication.
the solution that we have deployed is something that will actually keep the farmers, despite being small, in a manner that they can be competitive globally. And that's through the electronic means, through linking markets directly. So irrespective of the size of the farmers, they can compete in the global world is the vision for 2020.
As the digital revolution sweeps across India's farms, it brings a new wave of hope for farmers like Kishore Singh. Now thanks to eChoupal, the winds of change are finally blowing his way.